Guys, pasukan na naman. And if there's one app na gamit ko last school year para makapasa ako sa exams, ito talaga yon. So, kung student ka, listen up. This is a must-have this school year. The app is called No Unity. No joke, lagi ko tong gamit whenever may quiz, exams, or kahit cram review lang the night before. Pag open mo ng app, punta ka lang dito sa menu. Then click mo yung exam plan. Dito mo ilalagay yung subject or topic na kailangan mong aralin. For example, may exam ako sa Gen Bio this week Wednesday. Ilalagay ko rin yung date ng exam ko. Then, yung target grade ko, syempre, is 100. After that, gagawan ka na ni No Unity ng personalized study plan. Ang gusto ko dito, hindi siya overwhelming. Ipapakita niya kung ilan days na lang before your exam. Kung gaano lang kaunting time ang kailangan mong ilaan bawat araw. Like imagine, minsan 10 minutes a day lang. Tapos, nandito na rin lahat ng kailangan mo para mag-review. Quizzes or flashcards, mock exam, study materials, and other active recall tools para ma-check mo kung may natutunan ka talaga. Honestly, sobrang helpful nito sa akin last school year. Especially kapag feeling ko wala na akong oras mag-aral. So if you're preparing for this school year and gusto mo mas maging organized yung pagre-review mo, download No Unity and try the exam plan feature. Save this video para balikan mo kapag nagsimula na ulit yung exam season. Trust me, future you will thank you.